maganda at malusog na araw po sa ating lahat. Nandito muli ang DOST-FNRI, Buwanang Ulat ng Direktor, kasama ang inyong lingkod, Dr. Imelda Angeles Agdepa. Narito ang mga activities ng DOST-FNRI sa buwan ng Hulyo, kung saan ating ring pinagdiriwang ang National Nutrition Month. Ang mga sumusunod ay ito po yung ginawa ng aming ahensya noong nakaraang buwan. Addressing food crisis and improving nutrition among young children. DOST-FNRI has partnered with Chu Lim Foundation for a 120-day supplementary feeding program for young children to address nutrient gaps due to food crisis experienced by families. The agency calculated the nutrient content of the recipes for the feeding program. And for sustainability efforts, DOST-FNRI had also conducted nutrition education classes on meal management and safe food handling among mothers and caregivers of beneficiaries. The partnership was formalized during the launching and ceremonial signing of the Memorandum of Understanding last June 2022 at the Prime Hotel, Quezon City. The event was attended by the executives of Mega Global Corporation, Reach Out Feed Philippines Incorporated, DSWD Secretary Erwin Tulfo, and other DSWD representatives. Another is that DOST-FNRI, as a member of the Enhanced Partnership Against Hunger and Poverty, or what we call EPOP, in Calabarzon, has participated in developing the action plan for the region, integrating strategies and measures to address food security and hunger. With regards to popularizing R&D, S&T innovations locally and internationally, the Director presented the study on the results of a nutritional contribution of breakfast in the Philippines and the development of nutrient recommendations for breakfast in Southeast Asia in an international forum on cereal partners worldwide at Taylor's University in Kuala Lumpur. The Philippine data, or the findings of the research, was recommended as a model in calculating nutritious breakfast for Southeast Asia. This was conducted last July in 2022. On July 1, we celebrated our 75th anniversary with the theme DOST-FNRI at 75, Shining Like a Diamond. It was during this event where DOST-FNRI has recognized the contributions of the Institute's partners from government, private, and food industry sectors, as well as media partners. These partners, who through the years had supported and assisted FNRI in the R&D and S&T endeavors of the Institute, and helped FNRI also in creating a brand on food and nutrition research and development, especially to serve more of our people in the socio-economically challenged population. The 48th DOST-FNRI Seminar Series with the theme Inobasyon at Solusyon sa Panibagong Hamon sa Nutrisyon, which is an annual dissemination of completed research and development, R&D outputs, and food science and technology activities among stakeholders in food and nutrition community, as well as in allied fields and the general public, was successfully held last July 7 to 8 at Manila Hotel. These yearly activities is an avenue to translate results of all our completed projects or researches into simple and understandable messages for the development of local policies to improve nutrition, health, and overall wellness of Filipinos for better productivity. With regards to building the future generation towards science and technology development, the Philippine Council for Health Research and Development fellows and staff and incoming grade 12 students of the Philippine Science High School in Calabarzon have been oriented on the different DOST-FNRI services and technologies as well as research themes and had a tour at the Institute's facilities last July 12, 2022. Capacitating the human resource for effective and efficient governance, the DOST-FNRI conducted pandemic-proof projects, learning workshop. The Institute selected human resource complements were capacitated in developing a monitoring and evaluation plan in the new normal and prepared also a sustainability plan for 2 GIA projects or Grant in AIDS projects. A few updates on our activities. The 2022 Expanded National Nutrition Survey is ongoing in the different provinces. There are about 400 jobs offered as researchers to collect data and information. Since this is one of the mandates of the Institute, coordination with the PSA and NEDA were conducted prior to its implementation for alignment of the different data to be collected. Interventions using genomics-based strategies or INGES towards enhanced nutrition recommendations is a proof of concept randomized controlled trial that evaluates the efficacy of DNA-based nutrition and lifestyle recommendation to manage overweight and obesity among Filipino adults. Overweight and obesity is actually a risk factor to non-communicable diseases which, when not treated or prevented, would entail large amount for medical costs both for the government and the families. The following trainings, webinars, and on-site visits were also conducted by DOST-FNRI. DOST-FNRI had 88 appearances in various TV and radio programs, print and web postings for July 2022. This is equivalent to about 33.6 million pesos worth of PR value generated from media citations. These are the milestones of DOST-FNRI for the month of July as part of our continuing efforts and initiatives to fulfill our mandate to define the nutritional status of the Filipino population and develop and recommend policy options, strategies, programs, and projects that address various nutritional problems. This Buwanang Ulat ng Direktor partially contributes to our mandate of diffusing knowledge and technologies in food and nutrition in providing science and technology services to our relevant stakeholders. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat sa suporta, and let us all keep safe and be well nourished in body and mind. Until the next Buwanang Ulat ng Direktor for August, this is Imelda Angeles Agdepa, the Director of FNRI DOST.